ninth one, 11.29. Vertex is given 0, 0, focus is 3, 0. So we have to find the equation of parabola. So we have all the 4 types of parabola, vertex is 0, 0. Now focus is 3, 0. So focus is A0. A0 is first type parabola. So focus is in the form A, 0. So that is first type parabola. So first type parabola is this type x, y. So here focus is A0 and here directrix x equal to minus a. This is the first type parabola and equation of this type parabola is y square equal to 4ax. So compare with the focus. Here focus 3, 0. Here focus A0. So comparing with that, A equal to 3. See, we have 4 types of parabola. In first type, focus is A0. Second type, this opening left side. So focus will be minus A0. In both these cases, both these parabola, y coordinate 0. Next two type parabola, x coordinate will be 0. So each type, remember the difference. So here, comparing with the general form, so we get A equal to 3. So comparing with the focus, here A0, here 3, 0. So A equal to 3. So equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4 into 3 into x. Therefore, phi square equal to 12x. So that is the equation of parabola. So focus A0. So it is first type parabola. Y square equal to 4ax. Now second, 10th one. 10th. Here vertex 0, 0. Vertex 0, 0 and focus. Focus is minus 2, 0. So focus minus 2, 0 means minus a 0. What is that parabola? Y here x, y. So focus minus a 0 means here. It is in the on the x-axis. Y coordinate 0, it is on the x-axis. So here, this is the parabola. So focus minus a 0. Minus a 0. And here directrix, that is x equal to a. Now that is the parabola y square. So this equation of this parabola is y square equal to minus 4ax. So comparing with the focus, here focus minus 2, 0. So focus minus a, 0 equal to minus 2, 0. So we get a is equal to 2. So remember a is always a positive number. So we get a is equal to 2. So this is the equation of the parabola y square equal to minus 4ax. That is y square equal to minus 4 into a is 2. Minus 4 into 2 into x. That is minus 8x. So y square equal to minus 8x. So equation of the parabola is y square equal to minus 8x. So focus minus a 0. So a equal to 2. Therefore equation y square equal to minus 4ax. Minus 4 into 2 minus 8x. Now 11th one, vertex 0, 0. So that is same for all the parabola and passing through 2, 3. That parabola passing through 2, 3 and axis along x-axis. Axis is x-axis. So along axis, x-axis means two parabola have axis, x-axis. For which parabola? Y square equal to, see we know for this type of parabola, y square, this is y square equal to 4ax. For this parabola, axis along x-axis. Similarly, for this parabola also, axis is x-axis. So for 2, y square equal to 4ax and y square equal to minus 4ax. For these two parabola, the axis is x-axis. So now here one more thing is given. It passes through 2, 3. So passes through 2, 3 means 2, 3, x coordinate positive, y coordinate positive. That point lies in the first quadrant. So the equation of the parabola should be y square equal to 4ax. Since it passes through 2, 3. See here in this parabola, here second quadrant and third quadrant, x coordinate is negative. So it is not possible. So here since the parabola passes through 2, 3, the equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4ax. So it is first type parabola. So this parabola is y square equal to 4ax form, and given that it passes through 2, 3. So we can substitute x equal to 2, y equal to 3 in this equation, so that we can find a. Given that it passes through 2, 3. So we can substitute here in the place of y 3. So 3 square equal to 4a into 2. That is 9 equal to 8a. So a equal to 9 by 8. A equal to 9 by 8. So we can write the substitute here and we can write the equation. Therefore y square equal to 4 into a. A is 9 by 8. 9 by 8 into x. That is here cancel 2. 9 by 2x. So y square equal to 9 by 2x. That is the answer. Next, 12th one. Vertex 0, 0, that is same for all, and symmetric with respect to y-axis. Symmetric with respect to y-axis means axis of the parabola is y-axis. Axis is y-axis. Symmetric about y-axis. Symmetric with respect to y-axis. So that means axis of the parabola y-axis. And passes through 5, 2. Passes through 5, 2. So axis, two parabola have axis y-axis. That means see here y-axis. Axis of the parabola y-axis. For the parabola x square equal to 4ay. This is x square equal to 4ay. X-axis origin. So this type parabola equation is x square equal to 4ay. And opening downwards, equation of the parabola is x square equal to minus 4ay. So for both these parabola, axis is y-axis. So here given that axis is y-axis and passes through 5, 2. So passes through 5, 2 means it will be of the form x square equal to 4ay. Because 5, 2 is a point in the first quadrant. So this parabola should be of the form x square equal to 4ay. So this parabola, it is not possible that this x square equal to minus 4ay, this type parabola passes through 5, 2. That is not possible because here, both x and y positive. That is in the first quadrant only. So that should be, that parabola is of the form x square equal to 4ay. So x square equal to 4ay. Then we can substitute. This passes through 5, 2. So we can substitute here. X equal to 5. 25 equal to 4a into y 2. So 25 equal to 8a. A equal to 25 by 8. Now we can write the equation x square equal to 4ay. 4 into 25 by 8 into y. That is cancel here 25 by 2y. Therefore x square equal to 25 by 2y. That is the equation of the parabola. X square equal to 25 by 2y. Okay.